Hello everyone. In the previous session, we saw fill handles, properties of columns and rows. In today's session, we will be looking at cells and its properties, basic formulas. Why to wait? Let's go to Excel. Friends, as we are going through on the cell properties today and the basic formulas, I thought we can replicate this particular table, whatever you can see right now, on the right side, so that we will be covering all the options available within cell properties and the basic formulas. We will ignore this particular header first. We will start with this row, the row number 4, which is headings. We can see there is one column for year and then we have starting with month. So we will leave one column for year and the next one is month. So we are typing month. Then data gathered. I'm using tab here. So please note whenever you are coming out of the cell, you have to either enter or tab. Now unit sales tab, price tab, sales bracket percentage tab, comment and enter. As soon as I enter, you can see the cursor came from R to L. Next available cell. Now we will type January. Now we know this particular cell if you select and use fill handle to bring the values till December. Now we'll copy these data as these columns are constants. So I will select the area I want to copy. Here you can see the option copy or control C. I'll click on control C and where you want to paste, select that cell and click on paste. But before paste, we can see there are a lot of other options. So we will go for values as we will be doing the formats on our own manually. Then the sales. Sales is having a formula which says E5 multiplied by F5. That means to say that you have to go to the cell and select that cell to enter any formula. I repeat guys, to enter the any formula, you have to type is equal. Is equal to indicates this particular cell having a formula. If you are putting a formula without is equal to, then the formula will be considered as a text. Okay, so is equal to unit sales multiplied by the for multiplication we will be using star the price and enter. Now you can see the price 100 into 5 500. We will use the fill handle to fill the remaining formulas. You can see all the formulas has been updated to the respective fields. Now we will go and calculate the unit sales sum. So to calculate the sum, we cannot use the auto sum here. We have to use sum formula. So how to use it? Select the cell is equal to sum. Then we will select the whole range where we want to sum. Enter. Similarly, for sales, we will use is equal to sum of the whole bracket range. Make sure guys you are closing the brackets everywhere whenever you are opening, because as soon as you type sum it opens bracket automatically. You have to make sure that you are closing the bracket as well. Next, sales. The formula for sales is E5 divided by E18. So is equal to unit sale divided by total unit sale. Enter. So you can see the number is matching. We have to change it to percentage. That we will do it in some time. Now we will use the fill handle. Oops. So you can see there is a error. So what is the error? Error is because when you are typing on the first cell, you can see the unit cell divided by the total it did. But as soon as you use the fill handle, it took the second row in this particular column. But here when it comes to the row, so it has not taken the total, it also moved one particular cell. This is called reference error. So we will click on F4. We will be discussing absolute reference, relative reference in the coming classes. So nothing to worry. You can directly add dollar before n and after n, or you can select that area and click F4. You will be getting the same value. Then enter. And now we will use the fill handle. Double click. Yes, we can see all the values has been updated. And in between, if I go and check, okay, this is taking the right unit sale in August divided by the total. So this is the right formula for us. Now we will go for the comment. We will try to copy this comment. We have already seen Control C and right click. You will get the option, or you can go here and click on paste special values as we will be doing the format. Now we have updated all the data except few merge cells. So we will see here it is merge cell. Whenever you are seeing a merge cell, go and select that. Now you can see you have B2 value. So I will enter the data in B2. As you remember, this is a year column which we left for, and this is a B column. So I am typing XYZ Limited. And then we will select this. 2020 is in B5, so fifth row we will be using here. So we will type 2020. And you can see here, control copy and right click, paste special values. Okay. Now the total is in B18. So we will type here total. Now we can see all the data, whatever we wanted to be available in the table is available. Now we have to do the formatting. Now let's go and do the formatting of the merge cell. So whenever you have a merge cell, like for example, here you can see the two rows and all columns. So we will select all that area we want to merge. And you can see here an option called merge and center. We have multiple options in this, but still we will use merge and center for us right now. So we will click on merge and center. So it has been created. The same thing we need to use here as well. We will merge it here as well. We will select the area, click on merge to center. Here also you can see till the comment column. We will merge it. Total till here, three rows. Total, merge it, and these two cells, merge it. Now you can see we have merged everything. Now to get a better view, we will put the borders. So how to put the borders? So we will select the area where we want to put the borders. Let's say we want to put all these area borders. So here you can see a box here. Okay, click on this. You have different type of borders here, and you can draw the color, line, and everything. So right now we want all borders. So we'll click on all borders. Now you can see we have a similar structure has been created. Now we have to do cell formatting. Now we will start with this. This one says the background color is black. So we have to put the background color as black and the text color is white. How to change it? So you can see here you have two options. One bucket fill and another one is A. Bucket is for filling the cell color and the text is for filling the font color. Okay, so we will go and click on this and we want to go for black, and in the same cell we want the text to be white. Now you can see the font is slightly different from this. This particular font is called Algerian, so we will change it to Algerian. Now you can see the font is same, and now you can see here the font size is 22 and we will be using font size to select and 22. So you can change the font here, font size here, and if you want to increase and decrease one by one, you can do it here as well. And you have below couple of options to bold, italic, underline, etc. Now we can see there is a slight mistake is that underline is not available. So we can see here U is available. You can use underline or control U. Okay, now we can see this particular cell also has been colored. So we will go to the cell color and select the similar color for that. Okay, now you can see these ones are a little bold and we don't have this one has been bold yet. So we will select this and click on Control B, or you can click on this direct. Now we have this one is matching with this one is matching with this. Now this one is having some problem. So let's click on this. And now you can see this one is first of all bold and it is looking from the vertical side. So we to change it to vertical, you have this option here, small AB icon, which is showing your arrow. You select this. You can see the text is somewhere like this. Okay, so we are clicking on that. So you can see the text is exactly matching. Now we will change the alignment to center. Okay, now we have to make it bold. Now we can see here This one has been italic, so we can click on this italic or control I, and it is italic. And the size of this looks little different. So this is 11 and this is 8. So we will change back to 8. Now we can see these three needs to be bold, control. We have the same format. Now we can see there are few things which are missing. The formatting, for example, this date. So we will select this. I want this particular column to be date format. Now you can change the formats here. You have a different formats in this particular section. This is called number section, and here I want date, so I will go and select. So there is no date, but there is something called short date and long date. We will be using the short date. Next we will be looking at unit sale, which is basically straight away matching. For this particular column we need to use the rupee. So to select this and click on accounting, so it automatically gives you the 40. Here we can see after dot 4 zeros are there. Here we have only 2 zeros. So we will increase the zeros by enhancing here. So decreasing the decimals and increasing the decimal. So if I want to increase the decimal, I can increase with this or decrease it with this. So make sure that you are increasing and putting in the same format. This one is again the same accounting, but this time it is two standards. So we will go and select the accounting. And this one sales is in percentage, so we can go here and click on percentage, or sometimes you will get a shortcuts here, like this is a number format, this is a percentage format, this is accounting format. So I'll be using percentage format, and I want two digits, so increase. Now we can see here the cell has been put in two lines, and here you can see it is put in one line. So we have to change it. To change that, you need to use wrap text. So you go here on the alignment section, you can see a wrap text. Click on wrap text. The cell value will be adjusted to the column width, and we will change the column width. So to change the column width, we have already seen, we have to go to this icon, single click and drag it till certain length. You see? Yeah, now it is in two rows, but still it is not exactly matching with us, so we will correct it. Okay, so to make auto adjust, so we are selecting everything, go to this icon, double click, it is auto adjusted. In the same way, you can select the rows as well and double click on this, it is auto adjusted. Now we can see everything is ready except this one. This needs to be left align, and you can see this one is in the bottom alignment. So we will select everything and we will make it to the middle alignment so that it looks everywhere in the middle alignment. This is also updated in the same way. Now we can see only this one is having a mismatch, so we will select this and we will use the comma format. So it gave me two extra digits, so I'm going to decrease it by 2 digits. Now you can see it is exactly matching with whatever we have seen and whatever we have done. So guys, you need to practice these kind of things repeatedly. So now what you need to do is you need to repeat this whenever you are free. Also, try searching in Google, find some images of billing or any of the company statements or something, and try to replicate those things so that you will be able to enhance your skills based on these cell formatting and things like that. Friends, hope you like the video. Please subscribe to my channel if you like the video and share with your friends. We will catch up in the next video. Thank you so much.